How to create Netflix account without payment by credit or debit card. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and tap on the search bar. Now search for Netflix. Now tap on Netflix website and tap on sign in. Now enter your email address. Now tap on get started. Tap on next. Now enter your password and tap on next. Again click on next. Now select your plan and tap on next. Now tap on PayPal and continue to PayPal. Now enter your PayPal ID and tap on next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.